Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Been a bit of a while since I've done a video actually talking on camera, but we've got a different video for you here today. So this is a bit of a, not an unboxing, kind of a review, I guess if you like, of some new products that are out there on the market. Now these kits are from somewhere called Train Crash Models. And there are a couple of lads off YouTube, Instagram, places like that, got together and they're knocking out some new resin kits for the market. They very kindly got in touch, asked if I would be kind enough to do some tests on the kits and samples before they were released, and of course I said yes. So we're going to cover everything from the packaging to build quality, things like that, value for money, other things that they've asked me to check out. Here we have it as it comes. So a nice little box. Nice flat pack resin kits inside. Labels telling you what we've got. So we've got a children wagon, we've got an industrial water tower, and then we have some local detailing parts with some dumb buffers and a toolbox. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to film it in kind of a bit by bit style, show you them as they come, get them out, we'll have a look at the kit, I'll assemble the kit, get them finished, and we'll give it an overall review towards the end. So stick with me, quite exciting. Back in a sec. Okay, we're back. So opened up the packaging, got the kits out. So here you can see we've got the children wagon, nice basic water tower, and the buffers and the toolboxes. First glance, yeah, they look rather nice. Certainly not the worst resin cast parts I've ever come across. The detailing part, especially the toolboxes, are rather nice looking. The water tower again looks nice, simple to put together, and the children wagon looks a rather nice, interesting kit indeed. They describe themselves as, you know, they were making kits kind of like the cottage industry, a bit of an industrial flavour to what it is they're wanting to design. So you can certainly see with these items where it is they're going. But yeah, a bit of flashing here and there to get rid of. No instructions, but you know, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to get these together. So I'm going to do my best to get them all fitted. Sand them down, get them built. We'll see how they fare. We'll get the wagon done on the water tower. I'm not sure if I've got anything to suit the buffers and the toolboxes, but you never know. I'll get them built. Once they're built, I'll check back in, show you the progress so far. So see you soon. Right, okay, kit's assembled. Wagon, water tower, and the buffers and toolbox. Where to start? Right. We'll go this the toolbox and buffers. So I've just done one set there. Really nice, especially the toolboxes. The detail on the toolboxes, the little latches and hinges and things. Really nice. In fact, across all the kits, the finer detail is really nice. So nice little toolbox there to bob on a loco shunter's wagon, and obviously the block buffers. The water tower again, absolutely fine. I think simplicity is key with these, but the finer detail, the brickwork, look at that, really nice. So as it is, nice simple water tower, plenty of detail into it, and you know, you could make it even better. And then the children wagon, so yeah, there it is, nice little resin wagon, goes together well. Some flashing required, you know, removal, especially on the bottom of the skip. But as you can see, the tools there I've used a bit of pliers, purely just to form the wire handbrake, all gone together with super glue, sanded down with a very simple nail file. Job done. Nice Hornby wheels there, take them apart, push them through, jobs are good. And so for simple kits, yeah, definitely a job well done. I am a bit of an OCD man when it comes to straight edging and things like that. Some things are, you know, a bit out of shape, not equal or to proportion, but you know, if you keep sanding away at them, you'll get them to a rough, you know, a rough example. And I guess that's what these are, aren't they? You know, they're inspirations, examples of, you know, of prototypes. So far so good. I want to get them painted up, do some bits to them, and I'll come back with the finished product. So I will see you shortly. Hello again, just like that, job done. Do you know what? They come out really nice. For what these are, and I really don't want to talk out of turn or anything like that, but entry level kits, you know, nice simple kits for beginners, I think I would say these are ideal for. Alright, not the crispest of finishes like you'd get with the big manufacturers, but for a couple of lads who are getting out there, you know, really well played, really well done. So the toolbox, so just attach that there onto the end of this scratch built engineer's wagon that I made, and look at that, really nice little bit of extra detail on there now. Green toolbox, weathered up, rusted, really suits, really suits. So like I said, the finer details on them is really nice. So that's the toolbox. Didn't fit the buffers, like I said, I didn't really have anything for the buffers, but then we have the water tower. So there's the water tower again, went together really nice. Brown brickwork, weathered down with some talcum powder and some black washes. The tank on the top, just grey primer, and again some streaking down there. You know, they come out really well. I've had them on the layout, and once on the layout, you know, they blend in really nicely, so can't complain. And the wagon, which I think is probably the nicest of the lot, yeah, again went together well. Just gone for a plain black on this, but weathered it up still the same with some rust and some dust. Little bit of NCB lettering on there. The wire bends really nice to create the handbrake. The wheels really finish it off. Little coal load in there, and that would be absolutely spot on. So, you know, for what they are, which is, like I say, some nice beginner kits, really nice, really nice indeed. So the boys asked me to go over a few things and just give my you know, rating on them, if you like. The packaging, nice little box, no need for bubble wrap and things like that, you know, they come flat packed. Resin's quite a hard thing. You know, these have all survived through the post absolutely fine. So yeah, packaging not too shabby, well played with the packaging. The ease of assembly, dead easy. I did these in 2 minutes. Blob of super glue, bit of sanding. Well, in fact, I've done all this in around about 2.5 hours. So that's built, painted and weathered. Can't get much easier than that. Value for money. The wagon's costing £8. You know, to say you get those really quality wheels in there, you know, I guess that's where most of the cost goes. So yeah, £8 for that I think's alright. The water towers, they're £3, and the toolboxes and buffers are £2.50 each, and you get more than one in those. They come in packs of 8, I think it was. So £3 for that tower, you know, definitely for the toolboxes, to say you get 8 in a pack, 100%. And the wagon, you know, again, it's quality wheels. I am a stickler for smooth edges and things being a bit more to shape and in line, so I think I'd probably want that. But not too bad at all. Do they resemble the prototypes? Definitely. The Charlton wagons are really good match. The water tower is just a nice industrial tower. You can add things to there. I was going to add some piping and a cap on the top, but I'm just doing this quickly. So yeah, and prototype for a toolbox, spot on. So really happy with those, really happy with those. Nice little few hours work. I'd definitely go check them out if you're wanting some nice quick easy builds. Then yeah, I would 100% go for these. But thank you Train Crash Models for letting me trial those for them. Very much enjoyed. Hope I did you justice. And I'm going to bomb on the layout and finish the video with just a few pictures of them posing on the actual thing. So again, hope you enjoyed. Head over there, check them out, let them know what you think, and thank you again for asking me to join in. Cheers boys, bye.